All right, good morning, everyone. It is 6:28 in the morning of October the 25th, 2021, and this is my pre-market strategy session. So again today, I'm not sure if I'll be able to make it in to trade. A pretty busy day in front of me outside of the office. If I can make it into trade, then I will, perhaps. We'll see. So CROX is one that I'm keeping an eye on. Now I have a price level of 149.38 as being kind of a spot that the stock wants to launch from, let's say. And so whether this stock has the energy, whether CROX has the energy to do that or not, well, first it needs to open, which as of right now, it looks like it's going to open higher than 149.38. And an open higher than 149.38 will be positive for price action. So the next push up over 155 is what this stock has to accomplish essentially in order to really catch a little bit more momentum here. It's made a pretty good move. I mean, since this bottom on October 11th, to a peak here. Let's actually take it to the reporting day's close. I think that was Thursday's close. I don't remember exactly. I mean, it's put in a 21% move on that already, So quite a bit of motion in there already. Now, if it can consolidate right here, which looks like it'll be about 3 or 4 days of consolidation above 149.38, it ought to catch some more energy and continue higher to some new all-time highs. The last earnings report, it did, you can see here the stock price gapped up, went up a little bit higher after the opening bell, and then came all the way down to close the gap in one day and then closed up. So we're talking about an open, it opened at 152, made a high of 155.50, made a low $12 lower from its high at 143.39, and then closed at 148.60. I mean, that's a huge day. And so to see the price kind of continue to hang out up here and above this support and resistance line at 149.38 would be a good thing. I think as long as it can do that for a couple more days, then it's looking for a next move up. There are people who are interested in buying this stock. It doesn't pay a dividend, but the CROX, I mean, people are buying them, and people are still buying them. They're inexpensive. They're easy to transport. CROX is putting shoes on people's feet. So the stock is working, and until it can break, I think that I'm going to take a little bit of risk on CROX, and then if it can break up above this level here, say 155.50, then I'll increase my risk a little bit. Okay, next up, CMA. CMA is in the process of making its next move higher. You can see here, I've got this long-term support and resistance line, kind of cuts through. It's descending, but it's very gently descending. And so it broke through, closed above here on the 20th, and then on the next day it came back and tested this price range area, then closed above the support and resistance, or I should say Friday night, or this would be Thursday actually, sorry. Thursday it tested, still closed above, and then Friday really started to, the sellers are gone, the buyers are in. So the stock price is moving up, and I think this is going to continue. I mean, it's not going to be, a perfect straight line or anything. There are going to be bumps, but buying CMA on red here is a good idea. All right, next up, this Mark, and I don't have pre-market data on Mark, and I'm not sure why TradingView isn't giving me pre-market data on Mark. As of right now, let's see, Mark is up. It wasn't my level 2 just a second ago. It's strange. My level 2 went blank. As of right now, it's up 288% at $8.43 a share. I can't see what's going on with the chart, but it's a small cap momentum name. I can't find news on it. It's some kind of a media. Let's see, technology services, packaged software. And then SONM also this morning is up. Let's see, this one's up 115%. At about $4.09. Again, I don't know why, but TradingView is not giving me pre-market price data on SONM, so I can't really see what's going on with it. And I can't find any news on it either. So, I mean, unless, oh, wait a second. Actually, you know what? Oh, this is old news. This is from the 24th. But on Mark, actually, they're making an offering of like $50 million worth of, who knows if it's stock and bonds and preferred, what have you. And if it's for growth purposes, then Mark, it's worth a trade. It ought to give a trade today. But if it's just for purposes of keeping their heads above water, then I think that it's probably not even worth the trading. Okay, everybody, that is my morning strategy session. Good luck out there. Keep your wrists tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the bell, and I might see you at the recap today if I do one. All right. Good luck out there, everybody. Bye. I am out.